Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, welcome back to new lesson. This is MD Jakariya. I hope that you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to learn a very remarkable parts of speech, that is pronoun. In this lesson we will learn about pronoun. So I hope that you will watch the video before ending. So let's get started. Today's topic is pronoun. The definition of pronoun is a word which is used instead of noun, that is called pronoun. So I'm giving an example to understand the lesson very easily. You see that Rahim is a good boy. He goes to school regularly. Okay, look at the sentence. The sentence is Rahim is a good boy. He goes to school regularly. Here the pronoun is he because he is a person who is good. But the question is who is good in the sentence? Good is Rahim. So we are telling that Rahim is a good boy. He goes to school regularly. The definition of pronoun is a word which is used instead of noun. So here he is used instead of Rahim. That's why he is pronoun. Okay. There are some classification of pronoun. Pronoun is 8 types. These are personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, distributive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun. And now we will know about the definition of every pronoun. This is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is a pronoun which is used instead of a noun, that is called personal pronoun. These are called personal pronoun. They are I, me, my, mine, we, us, our, ours, you, thee, your, yours, he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, its, they, them, their, theirs. So here is given an example. Rahim is a good boy. He goes to school regularly. Here he is a personal pronoun because he is used instead of noun. Here noun is Rahim. So we have known that personal pronoun is a pronoun which is used instead of noun. That's why here he indicates Rahim. So we got the point that about personal pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun which indicates a noun in a sentence, but this demonstrative pronoun can be used at the beginning of the sentence and it can be used in the middle of the part in a sentence. So these are called demonstrative pronoun. These, that, those, so, such, the same, one, once. These are called demonstrative pronoun. So here is given an example, that is, this is my pen, this is my pen. This word is a demonstrative pronoun because this word indicates the noun pen. So we have known that demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun which indicates a noun in a sentence. So in the sentence, these words indicates pen. Pen, that's why this is a demonstrative pronoun. Next one is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun is a pronoun which is used in a sentence to know something, or you can say that interrogative pronoun is a question words. Here is given an example. Who are you? Here, who is a interrogative pronoun, and this word is used in the beginning of a sentence, and the word want to know about you. The question is, who are you? Actually, you can say that interrogative pronoun is a question words. Okay. Next one is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun is a pronoun which is used in the middle part of the sentence between, or you can say that relative pronouns connect two sentences together. These are called relative pronoun. The relative pronouns are what, which, who, whom, whose, that, as, but, whoever, whatever, whichever. And the example is, this is the book. This is the book. This is a sentence was bought by him. And this is also a sentence. Both sentence is connected by the word that. So that is a relative pronoun. You know that relative means to make a relation between a person, between two things, and between many things. So here that is used to relate two sentences. That's why this is called relative pronoun. Another pronoun is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun is a pronoun which indicates someone, which indicates a person or things. It indefinitely, but there is no definite person or thing. These are called indefinite pronoun, and indefinite pronouns are one, any, some, many, all, few, several, none, everyone, someone, nobody, anybody, somebody, anything, nothing, and another, other. These are called indefinite pronoun. The example is, someone stole my book. Someone is an indefinite person. We don't know about who is someone who stole my book. This is called indefinite pronoun. Another one is distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun is a pronoun which indicates a class of people or class of things, but it expresses a specific person or specific things, and the distributive pronoun is each, either, neither. These are called distributive pronoun. The example is, each of the boys is intelligent. Here, each is distributive pronoun. By the word each, here the indicates is each of boys is intelligent. That means here every boys are intelligent. Another one is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun is a pronoun when self or selves use with personal pronoun, that time these are called reflexive pronoun. Or you can say that when self or selves added with personal pronoun, that time it makes reflexive pronoun. And in a sentence, reflexive pronoun, subject or object will be same things. These are called reflexive pronoun: myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, themselves. The example is, she killed herself. Here, she is subject and herself is object. But the reflexive pronoun is herself because subject or object both things indicates in same things. That is, final one is reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun is a pronoun which makes a relation between two things. It can be a person or can be subject. The reciprocal pronoun is each other and one another. Example is Rahim and Karim love each other. That means is Rahim and Karim, between them make a relation that is called reciprocal pronoun. Here the reciprocal words is each other. That means is Rahim and Karim make a relation between them. Thank you so much for being here today.